On the 31st of August 2024, the serene shores of Elegushi Beach front in Ikate, Lekki Phase 1, Lagos played host to a truly magnificent cultural event, the annual Olokun Festival 2024. This year's festival, themed Aje, was a celebration like no other, bringing together tradition, spirituality, and community in an atmosphere of reverence and unity. The festival was convened by none other than Our Royal Highness Olori Ambassador Dr. Omolara Fashola Magrigo, Queen of Ilawo Kingdom and Oluase Olokun worldwide. With a deep-rooted commitment to preserving and promoting Yoruba culture, Olori Omolara extended a heartfelt invitation to all to join her in this sacred celebration. With grace and elegance, Olori Omolara made her entrance, symbolizing the profound connection between the Yoruba people and Olokun, the deity of the sea, wealth and prosperity. The theme, Aje, representing wealth and economic prosperity, resonated deeply with the attendees, reflecting the current aspirations of the nation. The festival commenced with a grand procession, a vibrant display of Yoruba culture and spirituality. Attendees participated in ritualistic dances and chants, carrying sacred items that symbolized the blessings of Olokun. This year's festival focused heavily on ritual and prayers, a reflection of the nation's current status and the collective hope for prosperity and peace. The festival was graced by the presence of esteemed royal fathers, including the Royal Majesty Oba Alexander Olusegun Magriga, the Olu of Orile Ilawo, Egbaland. His presence added a layer of royal grandeur to the event, reaffirming the deep cultural significance of the Olokun Festival.
beauty of today is that we've come together to recognize our culture, customs, and tradition. Something that can never be taken away from us, regardless of what's going on around the world. Everywhere in the world, you see problems on the right, on the left, and everywhere. But one thing that is impossible to take away from us is our culture. Is our culture. And in our culture is the DNA tí Ọlọ́run fún wa, òun ni ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa. That is our originality. That is our DNA. And that's why we say, before anything, ìṣẹ̀ṣe is first. In Yoruba, ní ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làkọ́kọ́. Bó ti wùlẹ̀ bá bó ṣe òun á bá ṣe pé àgbà ẹ̀sìn míì o, àgbà kìrìsìtẹ́nì, àgbà mùsùlùmí, àgbà ìyẹn ò ní pé kí ìṣẹ̀ṣe wa kó parun. And I am so thankful today for my God-given beautiful wife, Olori. Tọ́túnwá jẹ́ ọmọ Olókun. How lucky I am.
As the sun set on the 2024 Olokun Festival, the spirit of Olokun remained alive in the hearts of all who attended. The prayers and rituals performed at the Elegushi beachfront resonated with hope for a prosperous future guided by the divine hand of Olokun.
We are joining our mommy in the Lord, our mommy in the Lady Mary, Fashola, to celebrate the Olokun Festival in Lagos here. She has been doing it, I think, for the past 4 years. This is the 5th edition that she's going to be having, and we are glad that we are here with her. And Olokun Festival signifies wealth, abundance, prosperity, progress, everything good, as Olokun is our orisha, our own special Jesus Christ that a Lady Mary has given to us. That's our own Abinibi DNA kind of spirituality that we have.
We're here to celebrate the Olokun Festival with Our Royal Highness Olori Yeyelara Fashola McGregor. She's priestess of the Olokun Festival. It's an annual thing that we every year. Last year I was here 2 years ago, so it's very significant. It's part of our culture and tradition.
Orisha yẹ mi sí, mo tún dé bí mo ṣe ń ṣe pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ọdún ìlú Èkó, ìlú Abẹ́òkúta, ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lápapọ̀. Àwa ń débọ̀ yàwá fún Olókun, kí Olókun lè fún wa láyé, ó fún wa lọ́mọ, ó fún wa lálàáfíà, ó fún wa ní àtúntò ìṣèbálẹ̀ ọ̀dùn. Bí ìlú Nàìjíríà, ká lọ lóúnjẹ, ká rí omi, ká rí wọ̀. Olùkọ́ Olókun, ó ní ká bá fi ojú ọ̀jẹ̀ wa, ayé ọmọ kìí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ rẹ̀. Thank you. jẹ́ káyà wá.